Good morning, everybody, and happy Tuesday. So we are back here together today to do our second maths lesson of the week. So yesterday, hopefully you had a go at your fractions hot task to show us all of the amazing learning you have done this term so far, and also had a go at our money cold task to give us an idea of what you already know. So today is going to be our first lesson looking at money in maths. So your first job, on the board, I have got some different pictures, and I would like you to think about what are these pictures, what are they showing us, what are they used for, and can you think of any special mathematical vocabulary that you could use to describe what you can see. So pause the video and see if you can have a little think. Okay, so hopefully you've had a little think about each of these questions. So let's start with, firstly, what are these? So hopefully you have recognised that these are all different coins. So they're all different coins because when we're thinking about money, we have got coins and we also have notes. And what we can see on the board are all of the examples of the different coins that we would use. And this is our currency that we use in the United Kingdom because different countries around the world use different types of money. And this is the currency that we use here in the United Kingdom. So you might have thought about their different coins. We can see that some of them say the word pence. So these are all different amounts of pence, or they're different pennies, they're different coins. And we use these different amounts of money and these different coins to buy things. So for example, if you've been to the shop and you picked up something in the shop to buy, such as some sweets, or maybe you've picked up something else when you've been shopping, we use these to pay for the items that we have picked up in the shop. And some other special mathematical words that we might use to describe them. So we said coins, we said pence or pennies, an amount. They're all different types of money is what we're going to be thinking about today. What do you notice about the different colours? Are all of these different coins the same amount of money? What do you think? Are they all the same? Or are they different? I can see that I've got some copper coins, like these ones, for example. These are copper. And I've also got some silver coins too. And some coins like this one have also got gold on. What do you notice about the different coins? You might have spotted that this one has a different word on it, and this one says pound. So that could also be another mathematical word that we could add to our list. Let's have a look. So this time it's asking us, can we order them from the smallest amount of money to the largest amount of money? So have a look at each coin again, and I would like you to see if you can think about the order that we would put them in from the smallest to the largest. And we've spoken about what this word largest means before, and we know that largest means the biggest. It's another mathematical word that we use to describe the biggest, the largest amount of money. So pause the video again and see if you can put them in order. Okay, let's see if we can put them in order then from smallest to largest. So hopefully you've had a look at each of the pictures and you recognise that this one says 1 penny. And we know that 1 penny must be the smallest amount. Did you spot any other coins that you think could go with this coin here? See if you can spot it. As sometimes coins look slightly different. They might have different patterns on the front, or if you turn the coin around, it also looks different on the back. And you might have spotted that this one here also says 1 penny. So I'm going to put that here. And they are both the same amount of money, although they look different. This one is 1 penny, and this one is also 1 penny. What do you think is going to come next? Hopefully you've spotted that we've got 2 pence. So 2 pence is going to come next. And this coin here also shows 2 pence. So like we spoke about with the 1p coins, sometimes the 2p coins can also look a little different. Can you see a 3 pence coin on the screen? Is there a 3 pence coin? No. So in our currency, we have 1 penny, 2 pence, but we don't have a 3 pence coin, and we don't have a 4 pence coin. So what do we think is the next coin after 2 pence? We've got 5 pence, and hopefully you've spotted this coin here. And this one also says 5 pence. So again, they look different, but they're the same amount of money. What do you notice about the size of these coins as well? Are the sides the same? Are they all the same size? No, so all of our coins, they might be different colours, like we talked about the copper and the silver coins. They might have different patterns on the front, or they're different sizes. What do we think is going to come after 5p? Have a look at the pictures that we've got left. There's not a 6 pence coin. There's not a 7 pence coin. There's not an 8 pence coin. And there's not a 9 pence coin. So it must be 10 pence. And I can see a 10 pence coin here. And I can also see a 10 pence coin here. Okay. Let's have a look at the pictures we've got left. What is the next coin? Have a look. I can see that these both say 20 pence. So after 10 pence, we have 20 pence because there's no 15 pence coin, there's no 11 pence coin or 17 pence coin. It goes from 10 pence to 20 pence or 20p. Okay. Next, I can see I've got 50 pence, which both of these show. And then I've also got a £1 coin, which is the gold and the silver coin here. So I've got my 1 penny, 2 pence, 5 pence, 10 pence, 20 pence, 50 pence, and £1. And these are the coins that we're going to be learning about. What do you notice about the silver and copper coins? I can see 2 copper coins here. And then it goes on to silver coins. What do you notice? I've noticed that the copper coins are the least amount of money. So we start with the copper coins with our 1 penny and 2 pence, which are the least amount of money. And then when it increases, when it gets bigger, a larger amount of money, we move on to our silver coins and then our gold and silver coins as well. So today we're going to be thinking about the total amount of different coins. So let's have a look at the coins that we've got on the screen. And it says, what is the total amount of these coins? What are we counting up in? Look at the pennies, look at the coin. What is each coin worth? Hopefully you've recognised that each penny is 1p. So we're counting up in ones. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 what though? 7 elephants? 7 muffins? 7 cats? No, we need to remember our 7p to represent 7 pence. So rather than having to write out 7 pence each time, we would just put a p to represent pence. So we have got 7 pence. So there are 7 1p coins because each coin is 1p or 1 penny. And this is the same as 7p. Well done. Next question. Again, what is the total amount of these coins? What are we counting up in this time? Can you spot it? We're counting up in 2, so we can count in our 2s to work this one out. Let's go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. The total amount is 12p. Well done, or 12 pence. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 2p coins. This is the same as 12 pence. Don't forget that pence symbol at the end. That's really important. Next question. What is the total amount this time? What are we counting up in? We're counting up in fives. Let's count together. 5, 10, 15, 20. We have got 20p or 20 pence. So there are 4 5p coins, and this is the same as 20p. Brilliant, everybody. Okay, this time I wonder if you can spot what we're counting up in. Look at the coin carefully. It says 10 pence, so we're counting up in tens this time, and we're really good at counting up in tens, so let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This time we have got 50p. So there are 5 10p coins. This is the same as 50 pence. Well done if you beat me to it. Okay, this time we're counting up in 20s. We're counting up in 20s because each coin is worth 20p. So if I know that this is 20p, let's double it. What's double 20? Does anybody know? Double 20 is 40. So I'm just going to put 40 here. And we're really good at counting up in multiples of 10 because this is something we've learnt before. So now we need to do 40, add another 20p. Let's count up together. 40, 50, 60. So all together we've got 60p. So there are 3 20p coins, and this is the same as 60p. Brilliant work. Ooh, what's changed this time about my number sentence? Can you spot it? What's changed? Hopefully you've noticed that my equals sign has moved to the start. Does this matter? No, it doesn't matter. It's just telling us that this amount of money here, my total amount, is the same as these coins here. And we know that it doesn't matter if the equals sign has moved to the start. Let's count together. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So 25p equals or is the same as these coins here. Brilliant job. Okay, this time it says, what is the total amount of these coins? What do you notice is different? I can see we've got some different coins this time. I've got some silver coins and some copper coins. Which coin would you start with? Which coin would you start counting first? I would start counting the silver coins first because they're the largest amount of money and we can count up in tens. Let's count. 10, 20, 30p. I'm just going to put 30p here to remind me. And then I've got 2p coins, 2, 4p. So 30p add 4p is 34p. Well done. I'm going to put this one on the screen now, and I would like you to pause it, and I'd like you to have a go on your own this time. What are you going to do to find the total amount? Hopefully this time you've said that you're going to start counting with the silver coins because they're the largest amount of money, and we can start counting in fives. let's start counting together. 5, 10, 15, 20. So I'm just going to put 20 pence down here to remind me the total amount of the 5p coins. And then I'm going to move on to the 1p coins over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pence. So we know 20p add 5p will be 25 pence. Well done. Next question. What is the total amount of these coins? Which coins do you think you would start with first and why? Can you explain it to somebody? Which coin would you start with? Hopefully you've recognised that it's easiest to start counting with these coins here. So even though they're not at the start, that doesn't matter. It's easiest to start counting up in tens. That will give us the largest amount of money, and then we can move on to these coins over here. So let's start counting up in tens. 10, 20, 30. So that's 30p. Then I can see a 2p coin and a 1p coin. So 2 add 1 is 3. 3 pence. So 30p add 3p is 33p. 33 pence. And then our last question of today's lesson is a word problem. So let's listen carefully. Jess was adding coins. She wrote a number sentence to help her. Is she correct? So here are Jess's coins, and here is Jess's number sentence. Have a look at the coins, and then have a look at the number sentence. Do you think Jess's number sentence matches the coins that she's got? Is she correct? See if you can explain why or why not. Let's have a look then. So I can see she's got 10p, and I've got a 10 pence coin here, so I'm going to cross it off to remind me. Add 10p. Add 2p. Yeah. Add 2p. Yeah. Add another 2p. Is this coin here 2p or 2 pence? No. What coin can we see here? This is a 10p coin, so I'm just going to put this here. So is Jess correct? She thinks that all of this together equals 26p. What do you think that it equals? What is the total amount? Let's have a look. So we can start with all the 10p coins together. So let's do 10p, add 10p, add 10p, because I can see there are 3 10p coins, add 2p or 2 pence, add another 2 pence coin. Let's count the total amount. 10, 20, 30, 32, 34p. So Jess is not correct because she's mistaken this coin here for a 2p coin, but it's actually a 10p coin. So well done if you recognised her mistake. So your job today is, your first activity is this sheet here. It says write the value of each coin underneath. So what is each coin worth? Write the total amount of these coins. So you need to think about what is each coin worth and then add the total amount. The same with these coins. We've got just copper coins, just silver coins, and then a mixture of both. And then you've also got 2 challenges. So challenge 1, circle the given amount. So it's asking you to circle 15p. Which coin or coins would you need to circle? And then challenge 2, what coin is covered up? So a coin is covered up here. The total amount is 34p. So what coin is covered up, and explain how you know. And then the same here. So they are your jobs for today, everybody, and I look forward to seeing your completed work. Well done. Bye, everybody.